Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to highlight text in Pages on Mac. So go ahead to your browser and open up the Pages on your iCloud, inside your iCloud, right? If you want to highlight all the text, so all you got to do is just highlight the text beforehand, okay? And then go ahead and head over to text, right? The text column here, right? The text section. Under it, you can see here like a B, which will highlight the whole text. But if you want to highlight it more as if this is an important part of the story or of the text, what you're gonna do, you could just hit U here, right? But let's say you don't want to highlight all the text, right? You want to highlight just one part, okay? So all you gotta do is just highlight or just select the one part here of the text, let's say U, right? And then hit U here. Okay, basically that's how you do it, right? You can also see the character styles here that you can add an emphasis for this part and add U, right? Which will make it like loud and clear that this is an important part. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.